Yes, it's visible.
Okay. Okay. So, चलो तो when material master, okay, material master we have configured, but for the unit testing we are having errors. Okay. Let's see. CKM start. Let's see if it is not working. Okay. And, 37, you can monitor the jobs. Okay.
Which one? Which
SM,
record?
SM37.
Okay. Every.
If it don't work, then we want people to test. Mm, mm, mm.
One also configuration is pending, right? That assign material to company code.
Assign material to
That we
company.
need to do. Uh,
Assign material to company code is not there. There is no such configuration in SAP. Material master is created at plant level and storage location level below the company code org elements like sales org level. Okay. Vendor
mm,
master is created at company code level and purchase org level. Okay. Information. Let me check with the. Is it visible now?
just it is visible.
But in actual system, in live environment, you don't have access to all these things. Okay.
That I know we need to contact the developer direct.
Hmm.
For a spool administration, we need which to code for that?
SPED.
SPED.
And there are a lot of spool generated. That's why it's taking much time. It's consuming. That is why that is showing as a memory overflow.
Mm-hmm.
Overflow, spool overflow. Okay. So till the time, this okay, we cannot go further now. Just like similarly, you will do for vendor master. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It is the same, similar one only. Vendor account groups we have.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then again, it's a from number range to number range. Okay. So like different types of vendor account group means domestic,
Mm-hmm.
domestic vendors, foreign vendors, foreign, or you can give any other. Okay. Then intercompany and one-time vendors. Okay. So these are the different types of vendors. Other than that, if you have specified types of vendors in your organization, you can define like this. And again, it's a number range. So
Okay.
similar manner, you can set the number range.
Customer also you can create as a vendor, right?
Sorry, come again.
Customer,
Oh, customer
we
one.
can define as a vendor.
That is a scenario. So any of
Mm-hmm.
these vendor, I can create as a customer
Mm-hmm.
if that scenario is applicable like that. So that for that there is a business partner configuration. It's called as a BP configuration.
Mm-hmm.
During this configuration, I will show you. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the vendor master one. Okay. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
you need to classify and all those things, and then finance. Finance has to assign. I mean, not assign. Create GLs. GL at company level. Return or not? Hmm. Deletes full recurring plan and then delete all those. Nothing was found. 2011. Okay. I think it should work. Hmm. Go to the SAP.
Go to SPD for again one time.
Hmm, hold on. Then see. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's now completed. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
If you see the log,
Mm-hmm.
this one. Okay. Plant 1005 is now productive. Okay. Okay. So this is how it works.
Mm-hmm.
So now if we go to the MM01, it will allow
Just wait. Before that, go to SPD, the identity code.
speed. You don't have to do that, na? Said
No,
with
no,
this
no, we will not do anything, but just execute that ticket. Here, what we will do? Okay, go to admin, delete that spool where we what we'll do.
but don't
Go
delete
to the
it. See,
activity.
Mahesh.
Mm,
Okay. So this is not
mm,
for you, first
mm,
of all. Second, don't do
mm,
any delete
mm,
by mistake even. Okay. Why? There are a
mm,
lot of
mm,
people working on this system. Okay. And
mm,
they
mm,
are taking their output wherever it is required. And if you delete from here,
mm,
okay, they won't be able to see what
mm,
they have taken output.
okay, okay. So before that, lot of pull requests are there.
No, no,
So
there is,
that
okay, I'll tell you. There is, this is
mm,
not even recommended. I just did it because this is demo and it is not allowing for me to know. So
mm,
there is a process setup. Every 1 month, a
mm,
pull request gets automatically archived so
mm,
that
mm,
there
mm,
won't be any spool overflow. In production environment, we
mm,
can, I
mm,
mean, they cannot keep those all spools open. Okay. This is a
mm,
demo
mm,
system and a lot of people are working in one at one time.
mm,
Okay, that's why it is showing a spool overflow here. But generally, that issue never comes in.
okay,
Okay. Hmm.
okay.
And that is or not our task. It's a like basis operation team has to do that form. It's not our task.
Mm, mm,
See,
mm,
now it is allowing to create material. Okay.
mm,
So you can provide any material description. What type of retail industry? Okay. So this is semi-finished now.
mm.
Material. Do you have any material in mind? Description I can add here. Hmm?
What we can do? Any semi-finished. What we can.
ठीक है. I'm asking for the any material description, really. Since you know this
Mm,
organization, if it is there any material you can okay. Description you can add here. Then
mm,
authorization group you don't have to enter actually. This is just to control the authorization. Okay. Just to control
okay.
authorization. Someone has enabled this field on the background. That's why it
Mm,
is enabled. Generally, it's not visible here. Okay. Then base unit of
okay.
measure from the drop down you can enter material groups also you can select it from whatever it is semi-finished. Hmm, finished. Is there any semi-finished one? You can select.
I think you created ZLD. That will we need to select.
Sorry, come again.
Metal group you already created. Sorry, metal type you created was
Hmm,
HLB.
I'll show you that.
Okay.
If you see here,
Mm,
ZHLB, the
mm,
one we created. This
mm,
is the material type we are
mm,
creating material master. Okay.
Oh, okay. Mhm.
Division we have set up 0, 25, no?
Mm.
Okay.
Yes.
Then this net weight is to be entered by this logistics team actually while receiving, but generally for during first time it is to be added as 111 generally. If the process is set like
Mhm.
that way. Okay. If transportation is involved, then you, this is a mandatory thing.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. Press one. Here we don't have to enter
Material
anything.
group,
Hmm.
material group who will create? Material group of
Well,
systems
yes,
who
yes,
will
we'll
do?
create. Mm-hmm. I'll show you.
Okay. Mhm.
Then if that material is of design, okay, so then design data is entered here. Okay.
Mhm.
Sheet number, document type, page number, document number, okay, and document version. And more conversion is there. So if it is a configurable at cross plant level, okay, then it
Mhm.
is to be entered here with selection as a configurable material because it has a different characteristic. Okay, then purchasing group is mandatory. Purchasing group also I think we have not created. We will create one. Okay,
Mhm.
I'm just for now I'm just taking and dummy. Material status. Okay, so material status is nothing but the status of that material in this plant 1005. Okay, so it can be blocked, phase out, under review, or open for procurement. Different types of statuses we can set.
Mhm.
Okay. Then a tax indicator. Tax indicator is entered here. I think it is not done, but we can define tax indicator for material. Okay. Automatic PO checkbox is there. If you are going to set up automatic PO creation setup, okay,
Mhm.
then this field is mandatory.
Yes.
Okay. Then batch management. If you are going to activate the batch management, okay, so then this field is to be selected for incoming materials. Okay, like incoming means if you are going to receive this material with batch,
Mhm.
then this is mandatory under purchasing bill.
Okay.
Okay, then purchase value keys. Okay, so purchase value keys again. Most of the industries use, some don't use. Okay, so what purchase value key is? So through this we can send the reminders to the supplier. Okay, we can set
Mhm.
the tolerance limit for this
Mhm.
material. Okay, and also whether it is acknowledgement is required or not, that we can set it from here for this material.
Okay.
Okay, so for that purchase value key is there. So if you select, it will reflect here number of days, all those things, tolerance. Okay, GR processing time, goods receipt processing time. How much time will be required for this materials goods receipt? Okay, that is entered
Mhm.
here. If you are going to post this material into the quality, okay, so this check is selected. If it's a
Okay.
critical part for the production, okay, then it is selected. So that then there is a monitoring list in the production side, planning side. Okay, so
Mhm.
then this material will be displayed there as a critical part. Okay, so that
Mhm.
they plan these type of materials in uh, before time only. Everything will be planned so that no, we don't lose the production gap and time, all those things.
Mhm.
Okay, source list. Source list is selected here, but
Mhm.
okay. So in S4, that source list is not required. Okay. Earlier it was
Okay.
mandatory. In S4 it is not required. Manufacturer. If you know the manufacturer. Let me show you if are there any. Okay. So who is manufacturer of this material? You can select specific if you want to track. Okay, at that
Mhm.
level, and then manufacturer part number you can enter here.
Okay.
Okay. So these are the information in purchasing your mandatory. Then plant data storage one. Storage bin you can enter here, but this is only at IM level, not at the WM level. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is plant. This is store location. This is just to track only if you want, but storage
IM
we
level में.
inventory management IM.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. If it is a hazardous material, then its number is entered here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then CC means cycle count physical inventory indicator value is there
Mm-hmm.
whether this material will be in cycle count. Okay, that is entered here.
Okay.
Then shelf life data. Shelf life data means uh, expiry related data or perishable. If that material is
Mm-hmm.
perishable type of, then it has a validity.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so how much since
Correct.
after production or receipt, how much time it will be valid to use. Okay, that data is
Mm-hmm.
entered here. Maximum storage period, total shelf life,
Mm-hmm.
how many days total you can uh, use it. Okay, so then it will, if you maintain here, it will uh, reflect everywhere, like on the PO,
Mm-hmm.
purchase order, sales order, wherever it is to be required. Okay, so this is mandatory for like food industries, beverages, perishable, pharmaceutical, when there is the perishable type of materials. Okay. Important fields are okay. These are the important fields. Plant data storage one, data storage two view. Again, this gross weight is coming from the basic data. It's the same field.
Mm-hmm.
Profit center is mandatory here actually. Okay, so let me see if we have created already copied
No, we
any
have not created a
profits
profit center.
controlling area 8000 we use no. Mm, okay, so these are already there. Okay, I'm selecting the
So we created one control area, no?
no, we didn't create it, no? Did we?
Okay. No, but a profit center we have not created. Controlling
Hmm.
area created.
Controlling area we didn't create it. We took the standard one, 8000.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
It is not allowing to change. Okay. Even anyway, we'll see. I have selected on the Me Profit Center only. Okay, serial
Mm-hmm.
number profile is entered here. Okay, if you have serial
Okay.
number activated, so serial number is generally
Mm-hmm.
required to track the transportation of not transportation movement of that material. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Then stock determination group is there. So stock determination group is to used or show us how that material is consumed or first. Okay, so like for example, we have different sources of material. Right? So how that
Mm-hmm.
material is going to be consumed, like whether we are going to consume in in-house produced first, internal transfer like company or other plant transfer, then available quantity, available stock or safety stock we are going to consume, and then material received from the external vendor. Okay, so that sequence is there to determine the stock during the goods issue. Goods issue can be against the production,
So the
sales
stock
order.
determination group who will create SD people will create stock determination group.
ESD or production, I mean, the PP model, it falls under.
They
Okay.
will configure. They will
Yes.
configure.
Yes. Generally, it is used
Okay.
there
And that.
only, either for production
Mm-hmm.
or for sales order
Mm-hmm.
consumption.
And the serial number profile.
Serial number profile, uh, it again can be PP module or MM module. Okay.
Okay.
It depends on the ownership defined. Okay.
Mm,
Let me see if it is there any. It's already there. I need to check its configuration, because if I select here, na, so I won't be able to.
mm,
I mean, there is a serial number is automatically created. Also, we can also manually enter. Okay, so that I need to check in the configuration first. Then I will assign it. Okay. Then
okay.
negative stocks. Okay, so this negative stock in plant is generally okay. So let's say example, you have ordered the material. Okay,
Mm,
100 quantity, but you require that now. So, but that material is at your gate. Okay, in your premise, but
mm,
due to some issue, you are not able to receive that material into the system. Okay, but physically
okay.
material is available. Now you want to immediately consume that material, issue against any cost center or a production order or whatever it is, sales order. Okay. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So since that issue is there, you cannot enter into the system. So if it is not in the system, you cannot use general, right? But
Mm-hmm.
now you want to use. Okay. So in that case, you can use that material directly in the system. Okay. And for
Oh,
that, this
okay.
negative stock planting should be selected. Okay. So what will happen then? You issue that material in the system, so it will show the negative 100 quantity. Okay. But when you
Okay.
after
Mm,
issue is resolved and you receive that 100
mm,
quantity which you ordered, so that automatically
mm-hmm.
it gets settled. Okay.
Okay.
And that's why this negative stocks in plan comes in picture. Okay. Then accounting one view. Okay. So in accounting one view, division is already flown from the basic data one we entered. Okay. Valuation class is mandatory. Okay. This is semi-finish. Okay. So semi-finish, I'm taking the standard one. Then material ledger active. Okay, so the which one for which issue was there, right? So right now we just
Mm-hmm.
activated at set plant product. Okay, so this is earlier it
Mm,
was this was in ECC, it is optional, so they were not a
okay.
activity. Now in S4 it is mandatory.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then standard price. Okay, so I think for this material, okay, standard price is there. You can change it from here to V. Okay.
Mm,
Why? Because in OMS2, you see here. Okay, I have not added as a price mandatory, price control mandatory. Okay.
mm-hmm.
That's
Mm-hmm.
why it is allowing me to change.
Mm-hmm.
This is per unit price, and the per unit price I can enter here for generally during the material creation, we don't enter the price. Okay, because we
Okay.
don't know the actual price. Okay? And the
Mm-hmm.
quantity stock is also zero, but you can enter any value, that's not a issue, but generally it is not entered. Okay, in order to
Mm,
avoid the issues. Hmm. Okay, okay, done. This is a mandatory and required field here. One more is valuation category. So what is valuation category? Let's say
mm,
now you want to update different prices for this one material only in one plant.
mm,
Okay, so for that valuation category is required. So what valuation category do? So valuation category can help us to maintain that uh, more than one or two or more than valuation classes for one material, and through the valuation class we can set the price at each valuation class level for different prices.
okay.
Let's say
Okay.
you are producing the one material, also you are buying that material from external vendor. Okay, correct?
mm,
So in this case,
mm,
your prices will be different, right? For one material, correct? So external
mm,
vendor will sell you for like 100 rupees, but maybe your in-house production cost is like around 70 rupees.
mm,
Okay, so that's how it is managed. For that, this valuation category is important, which is called as a split valuation.
okay,
Okay, I will show you that also in the coming sessions. Okay, so that is to be added from here. Hmm.
mm,
Then. Okay, so this is important. This is for current period. This is for previous period, and this is for 1 year back period. Okay, these
okay,
values shown here. Hmm. Format is different. Okay. Accounting to view generally tax prices if it is uh, determined or process flow is set up like that, then only it is maintained. Otherwise, these are optional fields, and which is to be used by finance, FI consultant, not the
mm,
MM one. Okay. The control
mm,
on accounting 1 and 2 is of the FI consultant. Okay.
okay,
Okay. Then if that material you have that last in first in first out added, then you can activate here.
okay,
Okay. And then okay. So all the information is done. Then you can enter or you can click on save. Material will be created. 1122
okay,
material is created for the material type we have created. Through the MM02 you can change if by mistake if you added any wrong value. Okay.
okay,
Okay. Other than that, under the additional data, additional descriptions for the material in other languages you can enter from here. Okay. Units of measure, different units conversion. Like for example,
mm,
uh, mm, one pallet equal to 10 10 pieces. Okay. So that
mm,
you are using the pallet information also. So likewise, you can enter
palette
here.
configuration.
Hmm. So this is generally
Mm,
used in warehouses. Okay.
mm,
So during the issue or receipt, you can use the pallet, and then if you use one pallet, the system automatically determine it as a 10 quantity.
mm,
Okay. Like then under document data, this is again DMS released versions are there. The data is there. Okay, which is not our control, but that is to be monitored from here. Okay, and then this is important. Okay, I think we are good now in Material Master. General initially, okay, to know the Material
okay.
Master. Okay, I mean I know you are
Mm.
fully aware of what Material Master is about. Okay, but
Not
that's how.
fully, I'm used to too much long that I'm
Hmm.
not dealing with now in any like SAP
Okay.
right now.
But if you
Sometimes
open it
something I
now,
forget.
I know.
Mm,
But if now open it, you will get like you will recall that what other things you use.
mm,
You
mm,
had it.
mm,
Okay. It is the same one here also. But if you see here,
okay.
it is a 40 digit
Mm,
now. This you can enter.
mm,
If you see here, how many
mm,
digits are there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12,
mm,
14, 16, 18. Okay. 19,
yeah,
20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. This is up to 40 digit you can uh,
mm,
enter in S4. Okay, earlier it was only this up to 18 digit. Okay. Okay, so our unit testing is also completed, done. Our material master.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, material types.
Okay.
Okay, what I wanted, I will show you now this price control change one I was going to show you. Okay, now if I go to MM01, I will not take other views. I will take only accounting one view. If you see here now, I am not able to change it. Okay,
That is, yeah.
okay, that's how it is controlled.
Mm,
I can only enter the
mm,
standard price only.